Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. My name is Michelle and thank you so much for your continued support. Now today we are in New Forest Manchester and we're here to speak with Mr. McPherson, who is a Scallion farmer. So we have always been on other farms, yams, tomatoes and so on, but today we are exploring and we're presenting to you something different, and so we're on a Scallion farm and we're here to learn, right Mr. McPherson?
Yes, you learn and
Yes,
get more experience of things.
yes, exactly. So talk to us about this. First of all, I want to ask you, may I say how many acres of land are you do you have the Scallion on? Because it's a wide cross section I'm looking at right now.
We're on an acre and a half.
It's an acre and a half. That's a lot of Scallion. So how long have you been planting Scallion? And is it the only
Only crop we got here.
the only crop you have?
So now, sometimes we change, around go on we change, but
Yes.
now with Scallion we have here now.
Okay, okay.
As far as you see the tomb, look down and see if it's on tomb. No, this side.
This side? Here? Oh, down there.
Well, my portion of land no go no further and they go back to the road.
Okay.
And go up.
Okay, right at the tomb there.
There you go.
Oh, wow. So
At least we lease it,
you lease it.
Lease it.
Okay, okay. So how many years now have you been in this, have been planting Scallion?
Well, here so now we're planting Scallion, we're supposed to around 6 years or more.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And how you find it during that time? Is it profitable?
No, yeah, man, sometimes it's profitable and sometimes it show you out a business when the worm come down.
Oh.
They have an army, the beat army worm will come down.
Mm-hmm.
When it come down, it take you out of business. You have to haul you apart if the eyes they eat it down.
Yeah? So I used to get rid of those worms?
We spray with silicon and all those kind of something.
Okay.
Kill out some of the Scallion to get rid of the worm.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So the Scallions that you have here now, all of them were planted at the same time?
No, stage by stage.
Stage by stage?
Stage by stage.
Okay, so usually when you're planting, like how many persons you bring on the farm with you?
Well, sometimes 2, sometimes 3.
Yeah?
Sometimes me alone.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So when you alone come, Mr. McPherson, you're able to plant off like a whole section?
Yeah, me may plant, maybe some man will plant up to 300 pounds for the day.
Really?
Well, me not have the strength and you me plant me 100 a day.
Oh, but
Well,
that's still quite a lot.
Yeah, well, you see all our Scallion me I show you.
Mm-hmm.
Go down to the tomb there and come back across. Down over the other side is a different man.
Okay, but right here,
And
so.
he come back round and me alone plant everything, you know.
Yeah? Oh, wow.
Me alone plant everything.
It seemed like a lot of
Every
work.
day me come and me do little. Every day me do little.
Yeah, till you get it
Till
done.
me get it done.
So talk to us about the process now. If I decide to plant Scallion, what would I need to do firstly?
Prepare the place.
How do I do that?
Clean off the grass and kill the grass off of it, the growing weed.
Yes.
And then you get guinea grass. This type of grass.
Oh, this is guinea grass.
And cover the place.
Okay.
And
So-
then you start planting the Scallion.
Okay, so what's the purpose of covering the ground with the guinea grass before the planting of the Scallion?
To keep the soil cool.
Okay.
That when you wet it, you don't have to wet it every day.
Oh, it keeps the
keep
moisture
moisture.
in the soil.
And it strive better through that.
Yes.
This one, either me take it up little after this and recover and plant again.
Oh,
Some of the farmers, them just plant it and as they plant it, so they haul up.
okay.
As they come up to reaping time, then haul it up and plant again. So they have it fresh all the while.
Okay, I see. Okay.
But you have to have this is the problem. This is very expensive. You know.
Yeah, so how you get to have these? If you don't have this,
You can purchase it anywhere you can get it to buy, you know.
yes. So this type of plant, say the name of it again?
Guinea grass.
Guinea grass. So it's important if you're planting Scallion to have the guinea grass.
I tell the main grass. See it here? I tell the main grass.
Yeah. So at what point you take up this grass now? You just leave it there and you say you can pull up and replant in it?
You leave it and you just cut the grass again and just spread over it again and plant.
Okay.
So you don't stop. You
Continuous process.
It's a recycle crop, man.
Yeah. So do I have to plant when you come, do you hoe it or you just dig holes to put the Scallion in?
You just dig hole and put the Scallion in it.
How deep you put it, Mr. McPherson?
Just like that and just shove down the Scallion.
Oh, so you not dig it too deep?
No. Somebody don't, some of them don't dig it as deep or big as that no. One joke and shrub it in.
Okay.
But
You're-
that are when them a haul up, plant and haul up.
Mm-hmm.
But like how me pull it, like how me pull that, you know, me give it a bigger hole.
Okay.
That is it.
Yes.
And
Because I was explaining to you earlier that some years ago we'd have planted scallion in Trelawney and it wasn't good at all. They come up really small. But you were saying to me that not every soil
Not every
is
soil carry it.
it can plant
Can
the
produce it.
right.
But a place down so where them call St. Elizabeth, when them call Barton. Go down them places, right now Ginger Hill. Stripe scallion.
Yeah.
Eh?
Wow.
When first time when it wasn't this type of planting, you know, the red one. And the old time white, and we go down, they go buy it.
Yeah.
And the first down them, I saw you hold it and pull it, you know. So,
Oh.
you hunt fit, you look fit, your finger tell you where it is and it shear off, you see it.
Oh, yes.
So this left in the ground. If you come here 4 week time, it's still like that again.
Oh, so when you're reaping, you don't pull out the whole thing.
No, you don't pull out the whole right.
Oh, so whatever you leave in the ground now will stay there and flourish again and
mhm.
more
co-
scallion
come again. Mhm.
Oh, I had
Right.
no idea. It's a good thing you never sent me to repeat. I pull out everything.
Watch how it plant now. Watch how we plant it.
Yes. Oh, wow. Impressive. So that is why you're able to do like 100 pounds for the day.
So maybe do it.
Yes.
But this, the waste I give you now, you know.
Oh, so because you would have do 300 if
Yes,
you were
man.
okay in that.
Any amount we do for the
Yes.
day. Just,
Oh, and the soil is so soft.
no, true, when our scallion root come from there already, you know. So.
Oh, let me feel this one. It looks so soft. Oh, yes. Okay.
Some, you know, young like the young one, them, you know.
Yes, so you can do the 300 pounds per day.
77-year-old, you know.
You're 77?
Eh?
Oh, my
And
goodness.
my wife older than me.
Yeah?
And if you look on her right now, my daughter then go out and you see her, she you are called to first.
Oh, my. You can't tell the difference.
No, you don't know the difference.
Keep
No,
good
no.
health and
You know the
keep
difference.
youthful. Keep looking youthful.
You don't know the difference at all.
Wow. So let me ask you though. So we see how you plant the scallion and so forth. How long does the scallion take to come in?
Well, if good weather and reaping and you look after it good, you can't say, well, then 2 months
2 months.
you start reaping.
Oh. So Scallion is a lucrative business, man, because you turnover come quick. 2 months.
In that 2 month time you can start
So when is a good time to plant it?
right through the time, you know, no special
The
time.
entire year, anytime you
Right,
want.
if you want plant.
This
you
is
plant.
wonderful news.
Anytime you want plant, you plant.
So you don't have to wait.
Man, fall by the stone.
Okay, thanks. So you don't have to wait on no specific
No
planting
special time, like the other crop them.
Yeah.
The other crop them you have to kind of
Wait until the
time
right
and-
planting dates and so on.
Right.
I'm loving scallion.
skill and you plant right through the time, you not
Yes.
stop at all.
Wow. So seeing that you have so much right now, how is the market? How you get it to the market?
No, the buyer them come and buy
They
them.
come to you.
Come to me
That's
and buy.
good.
It's a trade, you know.
Yes.
They not tap the market for up to cents morning me sell.
Oh.
You know, top. Some will come and take, for instance, say 50 pounds. Some will come take 1,000. Some come take 500.
Nice. So
But
how you sell it though?
we
By
use-
the pound?
By the pound. We usually now pull it up now when they come and order it and trim it to them.
Yes.
But now it's a different.
How
Them just somehow we don't pull up with them way and take it and go and trim it.
Oh,
So somebody live off of it again for you, then go pay somebody
The
to trim
trimmer.
it, to clean it up.
yes, but that's
So it's
good.
a cycle.
Wow.
Yeah.
So how much per pound is it for scallion now?
Well,
Or-
you're right, price item of 60 and 50.
60 and 50. Okay. Does it ever get any higher than that?
Yes, man. We go right up to 100 odd.
Okay, so when it reaches
And the red root scale right now, if me have you sell at $300 a pound.
all right, this is what I want to ask you. Now that you mentioned the red root, because sometimes when we buy from our vendors, they'll say, it's a white one I have, you want it same way. I'm like, okay, yes, because we really don't know the difference.
Yep.
What is the difference between the red and the white? Why
The red carrot stronger.
Oh,
We have to call it rhyme
aroma?
then. Rhyme mean that when you have seasoned meat and it is
Yes.
stronger.
Oh, I see.
And carry a different flavor.
Okay, okay.
You know, easy to get the breeder.
That's why I was going to ask if it's dying out, because I noticed you have all whites here.
You know, easy. This come in and we don't know the reason where this do. But when this white one come in, the red one does.
Phase out.
Phase out.
Oh,
And if you throw down the white one here, sir, you know, and it plays wet, you know, it grows same place and turn up in the year.
Yeah?
But
Without you doing anything?
Yes, but the red one dead, rotten.
Oh, okay, so you definitely have to put the red one in the ground.
In the soil. But this I want to go, man.
Yes.
If you put it on zinc, it beer, man. You know, we think we cannot go on the road that much vehicle around.
Yes, they're going to run and crush it.
Stronger Scallion, man.
Yeah, so you do enjoy planting scallion and all of that.
Right. May I show you something now? Look.
Yes.
Here. You see this root here, so?
Oh.
And I plant, you know.
You just put it down?
No, we pull it and fling the scallion out of the farm.
Oh.
And it grow up by itself and turn up, man.
Yeah. Nice, and it's a big bundle too.
And we just watch him show how him perform.
Yes.
and I plant.
Yes.
This no plant either. Just stand there.
Okay.
Go and sell.
So that's a good sign. Maybe later on now you can just come throw down some Mr. McPherson when you can't dig the holes again.
When we get weak.
Oh boy, so if you have drought, it does affect the scallion,
yeah,
right?
man, it make it go down, go down.
Yeah, but this is good because we're getting rains now.
Yeah,
so
but we don't have drought now, irrigation system.
you have an irrigation system. So, okay, so whether or not there's drought, you have the irrigation system, so you're fine because you always have water.
Yeah, but we don't wet it every day, you know. Maybe twice a week, we may wet it.
Yeah, and that's because you say you have the grass in there, keeping the moisture.
You know, suit you put too much water upon it.
Oh, so you have to have a balance.
You have to balance. If you wet it every day,
it spoil.
You pack it. You feel it, you pack
feel it in your pocket.
Then tell them we have to pay for it.
Oh my goodness.
You have to pay for it. So the less you use and monitor it, and
yes, it's better.
Yeah.
So I see you have a couple roots of thyme. So sometimes you just plant thyme with the scallion.
And the thyme can plant right through it, you know. But you have to take up one left one.
Oh.
So my daughter plant piece up here so you can.
The scallion, the thyme?
Yeah, man, and you take up the scallion out it and leave. You cut the thyme and leave, and you need the spring. So
okay. And that too is difficult to grow in Trelawney, the thyme.
Me no know if that me never know about that.
Because we've tried it and it does not work at all. Okay.
Everything. Everything, the soil for it has me told you.
Yeah.
You have to know which part we do it and how we do it.
So for the time as well, is the same period of time it takes to come in like the scallion, or it takes a longer time?
Two of them running I see him.
Okay.
See him running.
Okay.
If the scallion did grow everywhere, you know, you wouldn't have no, you couldn't make sense to plant if I had no money, wouldn't you?
That's true. Everybody would have it.
Right. So
yeah.
where they come like yam now. Yam may be down here now. But you have to make sure say you have water and you have to treat it good.
Yes, for it to come. Yeah.
Which part me live up there, so me you over there about not them quite half mile from here, me live. And me you that plant yam, I had me 300 hill.
Yeah.
You would have call it bank, we call it hill.
Yeah.
Right.
Oh wow.
And it kind of work out good. Me dig out one yellow yam, you know, weigh 30 pounds, you know.
Yeah.
And me go, me and a friend left and go Clyde Brooks. I don't know if you hear about Clyde Brooks.
First I'm hearing about that.
When I go Magati, you turn on Clyde Brooks. Me go down there and me plant 500 on bank.
Yeah.
And you tell the thief is not a good thing. I can't tell anybody that.
Yeah.
And he work with me. And a lady down there called me one day and said, Mr. Mark, you put in a garden, a weed out garden. He said, no, me not put nobody on no work. He said, come check me, go down there and a 2 yam dig out.
Oh my.
So him work with nobody, not pay him no mind for him. They're there with me every day.
Yes. So I help yourself.
And me call him, me seek by your feet. Yeah, I'm ready for digging, and me seek by him.
Yes.
And me drive one pick up go down there. Me call him and he might dig up the yam for me, same one. You know. He said, so don't cut none off of the waist. Just dig up and put on the hill. When me come, me cut off as how me want them.
Yes.
But I think cut off as me go, me know for the leaf or quail.
Right.
And him help me carry out the yam. After me cut off on the head.
Yes.
But every time me go, me see my a crotch. Me I wonder, what? Me not say nothing. I want the yam hill where dig out him a crotch out. I yam more put in there. No?
Yes. To hide it?
A thief, me see.
Oh my God.
And me wait till him done and me give him few pieces of yam and give him my money and him gone. He knows he must come back for them there.
Yes.
And me dig them out and put on the van and maul up back the hill.
Oh my God.
When he come on, I like to see him face.
Yes, I would love to see it too.
When me said to Mr. Linton said, you know, easy, you know, man. Me don't say a word to him, you know.
Yes.
And I treat him good, same way like me, no,
Yeah.
but me see.
And he can't say anything to you because
No,
he should not have done that in the first place.
Right.
Yeah.
So when we dig out the one when him did, me dig out a few more hill round and round. If I could have put in them one when me never see.
That's true.
No, nobody in them, they are the one. About 50 pounds of yam him put in them.
Wow.
But the hill them big and broad, no,
Yeah.
for three yam head we put in the hill.
Yeah. That's unfortunate.
Yeah, man, all the yam stick them. All the yam stick them, me tell one lady if you take them up.
Okay, so you just, that farm, that was it for it.
Sell out the yam and
Yeah.
the head, everything, and just get bakes.
Yeah.
Turn me mind, man.
So that's why you stick to your scallion.
I carry one cocoa head, go down there and dig it, cut, beat it up and plant it. And for the 3 year we down there, go down the one man and say me one cocoa and pull up one hill. And you know the white bucket them? You full in, you know.
Yeah? Yeah, because the cocoa
And the
is
last time
very
we plant,
big.
last time we planted down there 2 hill me get.
Oh, yeah? Wow.
In crash it down and take off every cocoa off it and mold back when we go there hard. Not a thing, not the pan.
Oh, my God. The one they never done go work out, Mr. McPherson.
No, but if me catch him, you wouldn't see me a talk to me, love.
Oh, my God, I'm happy you didn't. I'm happy you didn't.
Me say my grandson does say I'm beg me every day. He said, grandfather, take it easy.
Take it
A
easy.
soldier, you know, my grandson a soldier. Him
Yeah.
train soldier and do everything. He just come down from America.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
So I'm to warn you to take it easy.
A big boy in the army, man.
Yeah, man.
Train soldier, him drill them and do every kind of something.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Nice.
He beg me every day. He said,
Take it
take
easy.
it easy.
Yes.
He catch him. Tell me I know kill him.
What that gonna do?
Tell me I just chop them off. He can't take up nothing.
It's a work person easy, you know.
Yeah, man.
Oh, wow.
Ignorant and you can't find, and better and you can't find.
Yeah.
Me partly pick up a town when me just buy like me buy and me start drive to go market. If you lean pan it, so you slide off, you know.
Yeah?
One brother me buy from me 1 year old, he keep like you keep house man, he shiny. And a boy a push cat and licky. And one fella come call me and tell me, I'm a movie. Castro say, movie man, I want town man that. And he movie, I guess what happened?
Yes.
He licky again.
Oh, my gosh.
Yeah, man.
Because they used to run bus back in the days like you
I
explained to
use
us
run
earlier.
bus and behind run bus, me use that go to the market and sell every weekend.
Okay. But now you not do that. You're just on your farm.
Everybody that you see I go market at town from Friday day, from
Yes.
Friday night time.
Yes.
And we find that the market, you know, we Billy and them take you over.
Oh.
4 hours we go in for the van and go sell.
Wow.
And my was we come back long time from
Yeah.
town. Man.
You did some good work.
And tell you.
Oh, wow. So, all right, the final question I'm going to ask you. What is it that you spray the scallion with and how often you spray it?
We spray with all kind of different varieties. You see like how you are green up, you know, we have a thing when you evergreen.
Yes.
We put in a this spray with the silk run and spray it when it start turning back green because we burn.
Oh, it burned the sun.
No, nice sunburn,
What
it's a
burns
frost.
it? Frost? Also the early morning and the night?
During the night and the dew.
Oh, okay.
And
Okay. And that's it. So like how many times you do it during the 2 months?
maybe
Yeah.
sometimes all 6 months you know spray. Then don't need it.
Oh,
The less chemical we use on the plant, the better for we.
okay, yeah.
If
Of
human
course.
are using.
Human consumption, so you
Right.
have to, yeah.
So we know for that spray, like how the spray now 2 weeks ago if I been ready. See it a change back now I come.
Wonderful.
Yes, sir. Yeah, on Friday gone me fertilize it.
Yeah.
That if
Okay.
that never grow taller, you know. Do the frost and go down short.
Yeah, but it's looking beautiful though, Mr. McPherson. I love it.
Well, me glad
Yeah.
for that.
Yes, nice.
Glad for that.
Wow, so thank you so much for talking to us. And we're going to look at the time in a little
For the
while.
whole day, me that talk to you.
For the whole day, me that talk to you too.
Yeah, but me
Because
not go talk to you again unless you carry
the yam come. That's what me promise you
That me
the
not-
yam.
I mean, I nothing that where you don't have nobody where you know want. You know, I'm with Scallion, you the one.
Yeah, we take it gladly and
You want it?
appreciate. Of course, thank you. Wow.
Oh.
The soil is clay, like clay soil. The sun don't bother you, Mr. McPherson?
The sun? Yeah, man, it bother me sometime, you know.
Okay.
But the part where me kind of protect on my back.
Yeah. Oh, that's why you wear the broad belt.
And it help the waist now and the sun. You want more or what?
That is good, man. That is quite a lot.
All right.
Thank you so much.
Not me not too good to give her, man. The more me give, the more me get, you know.
Yes, yes.
The Lord tell me that.
Yes.
And me give from my heart.
Oh,
You know,
thank you.
Okay, man.
Thank you so much. Smells good too. So thank you, Mr. McPherson. Thank you for talking to us.
Yeah, man, it's a pity.
I just want to say thank you for accommodating us, because it's not like we had planned anything. We're coming, we're passing through, and we see you, and you talk to us so willingly. So we appreciate you talking to us.
Yeah, man.
Yes. So we're still in New Forest in Manchester, and a while ago we would have been on a Scallion farm. We thought we were in St. Elizabeth, like I said earlier, but it's really Manchester. So on that farm, Mr. McPherson would have mentioned that, you know, the trimming process. So here we are, and we are with a couple of friends here, and they are actually doing the trimming process. So we're going to talk to them, and they can enlighten us some more. All right, guys, so earlier we were asking about the trimming process, and you were explaining to us that yes, this is the trimming process, but you have two types that you do. One for the market.
What we're doing now is for the grinder.
Okay.
Grace.
Okay.
When you trim it like this, you cut off this hard part. When it's going in the machine, this hard part has to mash up the machine. So when you cut off this hard part,
Yes.
and trim it like this,
Yes.
the machine gets to grind it easier.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
So once you're trimming it for the factory, it has to be done
Take off
this
the hard
way.
part, you have
When
to
we
do
go
it
into
this way.
coronation, we do it like this.
When you coronation now, you
Coronation
do it like
market one for the hill line of the town. We
Oh,
trim it big like this.
yes.
But whenever
Okay.
time it go into the grace, we cut off the head as what him saying, just like this.
Okay.
And it's mostly machine, so we have to get rid of that part.
Ah,
So this is the grace product one.
okay.
This one is for the market purpose. This
Okay.
is for the grace. So I'm saying?
So what you're preparing now is for some people preparing for the market or just the
No, we're
factory?
not doing the market today. Factory we're
Okay.
doing today.
Okay, wonderful, wonderful. This looks nice, the bundle.
We do market on Wednesdays and Thursdays and Fridays.
Okay. You don't say, so you're telling me that you're out here all week trimming? Oh my God.
Good day of the week.
Oh my God.
We don't.
Okay.
PR farm that tree.
Oh, I see. Okay. It's looking beautiful. So what you do, you do anything with the trimmings of the scallion? You do anything with it, or you just throw it away? Okay.
Like you see it over there,
Yes.
we throw it away.
Okay.
You want to get to the goat,
We normally give to the
Some
goat,
people
because we
give
give to the
them
goat,
goat,
the goat we eat. But
but me not feed the goat.
Oh, so you don't want to train them that way?
We want to practice them to eat.
Yes.
When you come in the yard now, we eat on the yard.
Don't train the goat to eat this contract.
Okay, okay.
Back to you again. My name is Rupert Johnson.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
you did ask me.
Yes, sir. And my name is Michelle.
Michelle. What I hear from
Michelle from
One
Toronto.
Michelle, they're right there, so one up there, so two. It's good, you love black. How do you?
So what is your name, Rasta?
Okay.
Gregory Allen.
But you call me cock.
Yes. Anybody tell you that you look like Luciana?
Sure.
Luciana.
See if I did get $100
Yes.
every day,
Mm-hmm.
I would be a millionaire.
Yeah?
That word where you say.
Oh, wow.
Me live a Centralville, but born and go here, so all in the town are Luciana, some people call it.
Yes?
Especially me about all the turban and about the khaki suit.
Oh, wow.
Any stage you are walking free.
Free. Oh, my goodness.
Every man says I'm an artist.
Yes.
That's reality.
Yes. So it's,
Millions of people tell
I like
right?
the most.
Millions.
The most me when I look like fireman.
Whole heap of people
What you call him?
Luciana.
Capleton.
Here with me.
Oh, okay.
Capleton.
Yes.
I take a picture with them down there, you know, and I know, give me back.
One of the Scallion guinea gag again, one of the farm.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
He name John Books.
Afternoon already? Oh, wow. Nice, very nice. So when people want these things, they just call you and place the order. And you
Right here, come pick up.
okay, even though the factory things that you prepare to, they come here to pick up, the truckers?
You have truck we carry go to factory.
Or you have to bring it to the
The
factory?
export people who go to the supermarket and deliver.
Yes.
We look at and pick up here.
Okay, okay. Nice. Very nice.
You go and work with the factory people, them go and chim and get all the money.
Yeah, the grinder people them way chim it like this. The ladies them down here, that's their work.
Okay.
One lady chim all 1,000 of this for all one day, you know.
Yeah.
And 10 grand.
Oh, wow.
Fast, some woman shell it down.
Yes.
That one if one
It's
woman
good business.
that one if one woman can chim so much.
Kind of easy everything.
Yeah, man. When you
Oh.
go the road there, you go see some house, man. A woman house, a Scallion Billy. Yeah, man. Some nice apartment for some young lady. And
Yeah.
and then take on day and night.
Just trimming.
See them house, the one that been with
So this is altogether different sort of employment. Yeah.
day and night. Every day them take on this work.
Yeah.
1,000, 1,500, 500, one woman shell long that in no time.
Really?
Can I call him 10,000 a day and go and about 10 days and cook his husband dinner again.
Yeah. Wonderful. She was saying that some of the scallions are easier to trim than the others.
Yes, that's it.
Yeah. So why is that?
This is some fat and some and
Fine.
sometimes some come small and some big, some small and they harder.
Oh, okay. The smaller one harder to trim. Yes. Everything make up life. Same thing in the vegetable world. This is nice though, and it's a new experience because we have never seen this done. All right, guys, this is where we end the video for today. We hope you enjoyed the little talk that we had with
Yeah, man,
Mr.
we have a nice
McPherson.
time, man. Nice
Yes,
time,
we
man.
did.
Nice
We did.
time, man. Nice time.
Yes, so until next time, thank you for making it a little everything Jamaican. See you. Bye-bye. Enough love.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
All right.